Topic like existence, experience, time, matter, space, energy, power, psychological phenomenon is just a fundamental aspect of their conversation or their dialogue. It's like the
serendipity is synonymous. It's when things don't work out as we anticipated. It's like you come America to become us. Hold on. Duality means which are distinctions between mind and matter, mind and body. My apologies. Did I say mind and matter? Mind and body. Monism postulates that these which are distinctions of. Hold on. Listen. So let's just say sporadically I drop my finger on the paper. So it's a point at the horizon where the two receding line diminishes.
Language, man, it's a vibration, it's an energy, it's a... When I put this into perspective, I don't think
duality means which are distinctions between mind and matter, mind and body. My apologies. Did I say mind and matter? Mind and body. Monism postulates that
like the underlying mechanism of their personality and characteristics. I tend to encounter a lot of people who wear spirituality on their sleeve. They wear spirituality on their sleeve. It's like a 15 minutes first impression. And the stuff they...
So let's just say sporadically I drop my physical.